Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with our next topic in this training session, which is on export directory structure and file. So in this topic, we'll be covering about the export directory structure, that is what all the different files and the directories which are present and what for those files and directories are there, because they will be helpful in the investigation, in troubleshooting, in tuning, in identifying if something fails and we need to manually export or import that particular package. So you should get a good feel of the export structure, that is what all the different directories which are present, what are the different key files which are required, and what for they are used and what information they contain. Say for example, this here you can see this is particular file called you can see dbsize.xml. So dbsize.xml, why this is important is because this file contains the information about the structure of the database which you are trying to export. Okay, so this information will be used to create the new database at the remote system. So one thing is the size determination. Second thing is that you can upfront create the database using this particular file. That is that this contains the information about the table structures, the different sizes of the table, the keys and the dependencies, and whatever is required in terms of building the database is stored in this particular file. So if you are performing say migration monitor based manual migration, this will help to cut short the migration. You can upfront build the database, make sure that it is up and running, and once the export starts you can import them in parallel. So that is one key benefit for this particular file. Okay, then next is the source.properties file. Here you can see that source.properties file, this file contains information that is used to create the central instance on the target system. It is also used to generate a migration key as well. Okay, so basically this is mainly containing the information for building the central instance on the target system. Okay, then we have a file called here you can see we have the files, that is I'm looking for the file name called gload.log export.sta. So basically these files, they contain the information for the SL tools. Okay, here you can see that this is your SL tools folder. Okay, so this file directory has a file called export.sta. Okay, so then we have things like say SAR files are here, all the apps related SAR files are here. Okay, then these are Java related JDMP SAR files. Okay, then you have information like this is the SDM kit is there, just to make sure that we can build the Java system from this particular folder. And apart from that, what is important is that you should be able to make out which are the directories. So here what you are seeing is these are the directories. So this is your installation directories. Under that you have the logs files are present. You have some of the optional directories are there, like this is for depending on what packages you have, you will have these directories created, whether it is a portal server, knowledge management, active directory, ADS, basically Adobe Document Services. Okay, so that is from the directory structure for this. Then you have the SDMP files. SDM basically is for the software deployment manager. Okay, then you have JDMP, Java related deployment packages. Okay, then you can have the export.xml, import.xml, and these are the different export dump files are there. And yeah, these are pretty much the files that we have, and these are the ones which is used for building the system. Okay, that's all pretty much I wanted to cover in this particular training session. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.